So the project at hand today is going to be building some shelves. As you can see, these are my toolboxes. Kind of far away, but you can see all the stuff's just kind of piled on top of it. And then if we roll viciously over this way, nice tour of the back wall of the garage there. These big shelves are great for heavy stuff. But as you can see, stuff just gets kind of piled up on them and shoved down in the back. And so what we're going to do is go on a bumpy ride. I got this big old blank wall right here next to my air compressor and air conditioner. And so we are going to build some cube shelves. And might do a couple different sizes, don't know, but I'm going to mount them kind of high up that direction. And we'll just see how it goes. Alright, so got a new backdrop up, and I was going to make everything look nice for the camera later on. I did a moderately okay job of putting that up. We won't look up close, but I definitely messed up in a couple little areas, but it's okay, it'll look good. So, I was just thinking about it, started putting some tools up, and I realized that my tools are not uniform, and so building a whole bunch of just cubes is probably not going to work. So stay tuned. I want to rip half this stuff down and just build the cubes as I go based on the tool that I want to put there. Alright y'all, so here's the finished shelves, all loaded up with tools. They came out okay. Probably on the camera you can't see all the unsquareness to a lot of this. But let me tell you, I bought the cheapest 1x12 I possibly could at one of the box stores. And it was a 1x12x12 and it was $14. And I did not realize when they said bandsaw cut, they also meant unsquare, variable thicknesses. Not a single side of it was cut square at all. So that made for horrificness in this project. None of my measurements were ever correct because the board wouldn't be square against the fence. And so I was cutting crooked, and they're about, I don't know, 1/8 inch variants. But they were called Southern White Pine Rough Cut Bandsaw Cut. So one side was rough cut, one side was bandsaw cut. So if y'all ever gonna build some shelves, I would avoid that stuff. I guess it'd be fine if you were doing a singular shelf, but something like this, especially where I was trying to route everything precisely in the beginning, that made a mess. But 2 days in, which should have only been a 3-hour project, came out alright. And I got a spot for all my stuff and a new backdrop for the videos.